How to transfer PEPE from BITGET to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of PEPE token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open your Bybit account and now tap on Assets. And as you can see here, tap on Deposit and now tap on Deposit Crypto. So what you need to do here in the search bar, type PEPE like that. So after you find your token, now just tap on it. And as you can see here, select the Ethereum as a network. And now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now what you need to do here, just go back and open the BitGet app. So make sure to log into your account and now we can transfer the PEPE from our account. Now to do that, tap on Assets and now select the spot from the top bar and now tap on Withdraw. And as you can see here, from the search bar, now just type here and type PEPE like that. So after you find your token, now just tap on it. And as you can see here, tap on On-Chain Withdrawal. And now wait a few seconds to load this page. So what you need to do here, as you can see here, you can provide withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account. You can provide it here. The network is there is only one, it's the Ethereum. Now type the amount that you want to transfer like that, and after that here type on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token. So this is how to transfer PEPE from BitGet to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.